Here's your latest run of the GFS, bringing potential tropical storm Patty or Hurricane Patty into the Gulf. And here's a look at the large severe weather outbreak we could see across the center of the country starting tomorrow and lasting through Monday. But don't forget, with bad weather typically comes more cold air. Let's talk about it. Starting with everyone's favorite topic, the tropics. NOAA has upgraded this disturbance in the Caribbean to having a 70% chance of going through tropical development over the next 7 days. But we still do just have this disturbance in the Western Atlantic only having a 10% chance for development. Although I do suspect this could change as we move forward. Yes, the latest GFS run does show this storm potentially creeping into the Gulf, but I do have a few problems with this model. According to this latest run, as this potential tropical cyclone creeps to the north, it could deal with some land interaction, dry air, and wind shear. And through all that, this latest American model run doesn't really show this storm weakening much. That to me is suspicious. We can also take a look at our Canadian model, which does show the storm entering the Gulf much weaker than the last few models, so it has really backed off that intensity. Our ICON model as well showed a very strong storm over the last couple model runs, and now it doesn't. So while I am usually a fan of the GFS model, this time I do have my doubts. For now, I would still say the states have nothing to worry about. If we do take a look at our latest NAM12K model, you will see a large swath of the center of the country is expected to see some severe weather as we move forward through the next 72 hours. You can see here we do have a lot of CAPE or convective available potential energy moving into the region around November 3rd. And this should stick around through Monday morning. Now again, around this time frame, we will have two very differing air masses clashing. This CAPE will allow for strong updrafts out ahead of this front. And with that, we could get some rotating supercells all through this region. I will keep my eye on this because as time goes by, we will have a better understanding of how serious this tornado potential could be. We should also see a lot of precipitation from this system across the Pacific Northwest, the plains, and the Midwest, with high elevation areas receiving a decent amount of snow. Alrighty guys, I appreciate you watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow and leave any questions or concerns you may have down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.